What's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome to a brand new video. Today we have the honor of detailing an all-new Tesla Cybertruck. Let's get right into it. All right guys, so to kick off this detail, we're gonna start off with the wheels. Now, the cool thing about these wheels is that they're massive and they're also plastic, which means it's gonna be easy to clean. And they also have this rubber tips at the end, which also helps with some aerodynamics. But the thing that I do wanna point out is the tires. Now, one thing I do not agree with, especially on these tires, is that the manufacturer or whoever delivered this vehicle, they applied an oil-based dressing to it, which is a huge no-no because what ends up happening with these oil-based dressings, when you over-apply them, they look great. But the problem is that all that excess sitting on the surface, it's gonna sling onto your vehicle and you're gonna get stains just like as you see on the Cybertruck. Now you'll also see on the actual surface of the vehicle, on the stainless steel, it already is stained with some of the oils from this tire dressing. So that's one of the things that we're doing when it comes to cleaning these wheels. And then as far as the undercarriage, we're not gonna do anything crazy because it's all plastic and metal. So we're just gonna give it a deep, clean rinse. And we're also gonna spray some of our nonsense all-purpose cleaner, which is a great cleaner to just go ahead and tackle any kind of filth, no matter what level of grime, because it's a super versatile cleaner. It works on everything. So we're gonna spray that directly onto the undercarriage, and then we're gonna agitate it with one of our brushes, and then we're simply gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Now that we're done with the undercarriage, we can proceed with cleaning the wheel and tire. So the first thing I want to tackle is the wheel. Now the wheel, like I said, it's plastic, so there's really not much to do there, but it is more of a matte plastic. So in order to be on the safe side, we're going to be using our Diablo wheel cleaner gel, which I already have diluted in our secondary spray bottle. We're going to spray directly onto the surface, and then we're simply going to agitate it with an assortment of brushes. And now that the wheel is clean, before we rinse it off, we're gonna move on to cleaning the tire. So now I'm gonna grab our Total Extract tire cleaner. We're gonna spray that directly onto the tire, and that's what's gonna help us remove any kind of dirt, grime, previous dressings like this oil-based dressing that we're trying to get rid of from the surface to have a fresh, clean tire to work with. And to pair it with, we're gonna be using our Big Blue Stiffy brush to scrub and agitate all that dirt and grime off the surface. And now that we're all done, we're simply gonna rinse it all off, and we're all done cleaning our wheels and undercarriage. All right guys, so we just finished washing the Cybertruck outside, and we also dried it outside using our Woolly Mammoth microfiber drying towel. However, there is still a lot of standing water just because this car has a ton of cracks, crevices, and sharp angles. So there's a lot of standing water in all those hard to reach places. But don't worry, we're gonna be using our Pro Blow high-speed blower to get all that water from out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry it up real quick, and we'll be right back with you guys for the next step in the detailing process. Now we can take care of the tires, the trim, the wheel, and the undercarriage. Now, the reason that I mentioned the wheel is simply because it's plastic, so we can actually coat it with the exact same tire dressing that we're gonna apply to the tires. Now, in this case, The reason why I said at the beginning of the video that I wanted to clean the tires very thoroughly, because I wanted to remove the oils that were in the tire. So right now, as I wipe my hand onto the tire, you'll see that once I show you guys, my hands are nice and clean. There's no black sludge or greasiness coming onto my fingers. This is nice, it's clean, it's dry to the touch, and now we can actually coat it with something that's not going to sling onto the vehicle and something that's gonna preserve that new look finish and obviously protect it with the power of ceramic. Now, I won't keep you guys waiting any longer. HydroShield, vinyl, rubber, and plastic ceramic shine coating. I know it's a mouthful, but this thing works like a charm. Now, the great thing about this product is that you can apply it to anything vinyl, rubber, and plastic inside or outside your cars. So whether it be your tires, your trim, your wheel in this case, your dashboard, your door panels, your center console, if it's vinyl, rubber, plastic, slap it on there. This is gonna be the best. Now, the reason that it is the best is because this is infused with the power of ceramic SiO2, which is gonna provide a durable, long-lasting coat of protection. And last but not least, the reason that I love this product especially is because this provides a new look finish. So it doesn't really give you a super high gloss, wet look. It just kind of gives your trim, your tires, your vinyl, rubber, and plastics, just that brand new look finish, and just kind of adds depth to it while preserving it and making it last as long as possible. So this product, it's extremely easy to use. All you have to do is simply apply some onto a soft microfiber applicator, apply it to the surface, and that's it. The only other thing that I would recommend doing is if you do go crazy, you do go over applying the product, after about 5 minutes of applying it to the surface, come back, dry microfiber towel, just give it a quick little wipe down, and you're all good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like. If there's something that we didn't cover in this video that you guys would like to cover on this Cybertruck, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. We're super eager to hear you guys' feedback and requests. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys next time.